Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to find or reset your Apple ID password on your iPhone. If you forgot your password, don't worry. I'll show you where to check first and how to create a new one if you can't find it. First, let's check if your Apple ID password was saved on your iPhone. Swipe down on your iPhone home screen and search for passwords. Open the Passwords app and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode. Now tap All and use the search bar to look for Apple. If your Apple ID password was saved, you'll see your Apple account information here. Tap on it to view your username and save password. You can tap on the password to copy it. However, if you don't find your Apple account saved in the Passwords app, don't worry. This is common because Apple ID passwords are usually not stored automatically. Now let's check another place where some passwords can be saved. Open your browser, such as Chrome, and access the password manager. After authenticating with Face ID, search for Apple. If your Apple ID information appears there, tap on it to view the saved username and password. But if you still can't find your Apple ID password in either location, the easiest solution is to reset it directly from your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen, then select Sign In and Security. Under the Security section, tap Change Password. Your iPhone will ask you to enter the passcode you use to unlock your device. After entering your passcode, you can create a new Apple ID password. Make sure your new password is at least 8 characters and includes a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Enter your new password, confirm it, and your Apple ID password will be updated. That's it. You can either recover your saved Apple ID password or securely create a new one directly from your iPhone. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.